Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing the latest smartphones. The Asus ROG Phone 999 Pro. There is not much difference between these phones. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both two mobiles come with an IP68 rating. Next, compare display features. They offer 6.78 inches LTPO AMOLED display and the same display features. Hardware features. Both two phones are powered by the Snapdragon chipset and have the same hardware features. When it comes to the camera features, they offer 3 rear cameras and also 32 megapixel front camera. Let's compare the battery features. Both mobiles come with 5800 mAh batteries. Next, compare the sound and other features. Both two mobiles include 5G connectivity, studio speakers, Bluetooth 5.4 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.